How to use mail merge. First, you're going to open a Microsoft Word document. Then in Mailing tabs, click Start Mail Merge. Then click Letters. Then you can start typing your document. After finish typing your letter, you can save your document by pressing F12 and select the folder where you're going to save your letter. Then in Mailing tabs, select Recipients, click Type a New List, then Customize Columns. Then you can select the columns which you want to delete if it is not necessary. You can also rename the columns if you want. Now in typing your names and addresses, you can press the tab key to move from one column to another, and to the next row you can press tab. Now if you're done typing all the names and addresses, you press OK. Then save your address list. You can also select the folder where you want to save your address list. This time you are going to insert the name and address to your letter, or this is called the form document. So select the place where you want to place your name, then insert merge field, select the first name, then select also the last name, click insert. Do the same to the address. And to all the rest of the field you want to insert. Now if you're done inserting all the fields that you need, you can click Finish and Merge, edit individual document, select all and click OK. You can also choose the range for your document, the number of pages that you want, and you click OK. So you are now ready to print your letter or invitation or document and send it to your recipients. You can also save your document or letter or invitation to the same folder which you save your other document. So that's all for using mail merge for your letter or document. I hope you learned something. Thank you very much.